guys, welcome back. So one thing I have noticed is that when I'm applying oil to my hair, sometimes I tend to overdo it because I feel like I need to put too much on, or that what I have is not enough, and what ends up happening is that the oils will drip down, obviously, onto my face. And I do believe that's the reason why I have this particular spot right there. It's because I did over oil my hair and it'll drip down. And what I usually do to combat that is we'll tie a scarf, so any dripping or drippage, you know, would come and the scarf will soak it up as much as it can anyway. But yes, that's yeah. Okay, so another reason why I think my scalp has been unnecessarily itchy recently, so it's because I did the Curly Proverbs oil. I did it for a month. I did it as a challenge for a month, and I have the video. I do have the video. I just didn't finish editing it and post it up, so that's coming soon. But I did that, and the thing is with the fenugreek seeds, it tends to itch my scalp, and it seems to be a pattern with a lot of people. And what they do to kind of combat that is to heat up the fenugreek seeds. And I did cold infusion because I couldn't bother to do a double boiler method or anything like that, so that's what I did. So and the applicator bottle that I used to put the ginger oil that I'd made in, I didn't wash it beforehand, so that Curly Proverbs hair growth oil was, you know, would still be in there, so infusing with the ginger oil. So I think that's also a reason why my hair was getting a little bit my scalp rather was getting was itching just because of that as well, the fenugreek seeds. And I don't think I mentioned, maybe I did, maybe I didn't, but to combat the itchiness when I was using the Curly Proverbs oil is I would, whilst it was infusing, I would leave the container next to the radiator, so the heat from the radiator would kind of warm up the oil and warm up the fenugreek seeds. So that definitely, I saw a reduction in itchiness when I did it that way. I mean, I could have just easily done a double boiler method, but well, yeah. So that's what I did. And yes, I think that's everything I need to say for this particular video. I'll see you tomorrow. Yeah.